sure
if you
that's going to
have
be a problem.
even 1% of petrol running through your veins, you'll like today's video.
Very much.
Very much.
Very much. Very nice. Today is the Festival of Speed.
Let's turn our attention next to Driftkharna.
We're in the wrong spot for the drift though, because we're on the straight,
Yeah.
not on the corner.
I can't do a burnout, you know?
We got Driftkharna. That is sick! Did that not just fill your full of
He's heading down the course.
We need to go to that corner.
Oh yeah.
No set of tyres done.
Mate, yeah, that
No set of tyres, please.
Yeah, it's got to come back.
camera on his feet just going Jap speed. That's what I said.
Oh, actually, this
So much money here.
Well, they're just car enthusiasts.
And they've
with
got
money. I'm a car enthusiast, but
with no money.
with no money.
I love the smell of petrol in the morning. So we're here today at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, which contributes to over half of the UK's CO2 emissions for the year. It's a great way to stay in shape.
Energy, and it's a great way to stay in shape.
You're a full mast.
I'm in love with this car. I'm in love with this car. I swear to you, I promise.
Do you want it?
Yes. The smell has gone from petrol
to bacon. I don't know what I prefer. Bacon. It's good for me.
No, I want my bacon. I gotta tell you something. Bacon is good for me.
I was in my way.
You were in my way.
You're always in the way.
Yeah, well, you
And
are.
the smell.
Yeah, fair.
Very good so far.
You're just hungry. I am.
We're just waiting.
We haven't eaten anything today.
Yeah, we haven't
Very hungry.
Had a very nice sausage sandwich
Oh, good for you.
breakfast. I was going to have a burger.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't
I'll wait
know.
for lunch.
of the keys.
All of the keys to all the cars in this room are in one little box.
Interesting about this model.
Please.
They actually, see the shape of it?
Yes.
See these massive bulges here and at the back? The architects took this image and put that onto the Veyron.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
I would have the blue one.
How sick is that?
I was deprived as a child. Really just realised.
28 miles an hour it will do.
This is what my wet dreams are made of.
And Vince here with me.
Punch me, Guido. Punch me in the face.
No. Throaty. Yeah, it's electric. It's a loud train.
Come back.
Come back.
Is changing to red smoke, now rolling around the aircraft as they continue the left bend. Keep those cameras rolling for a tornado. Brake verticals, red one.
Whoa.
That's cool.
That's sick.
There's the back section of 6.
That wasn't Aston, though.
The Valkyrie.
The Valve.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, big bang.
Sulan, you want a Pagani?
Oh.
There's one right here.
Oh my god.
Each piece is handmade out of a single strip of aluminium. Do you know that?
Yeah, because I've watched Top Gear before.
And I haven't even broken down.
Hello.
How's that?
It's my favourite car in the world. I can't believe it's right here, touching distance. I can almost smell.
It doesn't say you can't touch it, so just give a little touch, just a little one.
He touched the butt.
I'm looking forward to looking at some Volvos.
Nah, look at this car.
Yeah, Volvos.
No, but look at this car.
Yeah, it's still a Volvo.
No, it's a Polestar.
Yeah, but you can see the Volvo in it.
Yeah, but it's a Polestar.
Yeah, but you'd be driving a Volvo.
No, you're driving a Polestar.
No. Look at it.
Which one would you rather have? That one or the Pinnacle?
Well, it's between a fridge and a supercar. So I'd go fridge.
Okay. I'm not quite...
The maximum acceleration, you'd have it.
Petrol engine. We're all gonna die.
We're all going to be run by those dogs.
Have you seen iRobot? Yeah. It's gonna be that, but with dogs.
What kind of Ford is that?
Being distracted by some dancing girls.
Fair enough, thank you. Is that where you were the whole time? So you missed all of the cars,
I know.
all of the bikes,
But
some girls.
pretty fit. No, it's keen to fill up your water, actually.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a 2-minute job.
You were always a 2-minute job.
I get why you saved it for so long.
I wasn't there for
You're gone like 20 minutes.
Hashtag Jenny Clark, he was here for about 20 minutes. Use that in the video, I'll give you permission.
I don't.
We're near the end of Goodwood. I haven't got a clue what I've filmed.
But hopefully it's good content.
But if you like cars even a little bit, or bikes,
Or anything with an engine that smells and makes a noise.
then enjoy
Goodwood Festival of Speed. Hello, my name is Schuster, RS in Formula E.
I am from Formula E.
Ricky Bobby? What's his name? I can't remember his name.
Jean Girard.
Lando Norris, you're toast.
Okay, what damage do you have?
Talent.
French toast.
We're cooked to perfection, served with our finest bottle of Sauvignon Blanc.
Here we go, we've got the F1 cars.
Mate, we need to go to Le Mans. So naughty. Gotta love that high pitch.
Team Mercadus.
That's nice. What is it? A Mercadus?